In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Shopify app subscription. Whether you're looking to declutter your apps or simply trying to manage your budget, canceling an app subscription on Shopify is a straightforward task. But it's important to ensure you're doing it correctly to avoid any unwanted charges. Let's get into it. First things first, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Go ahead and log into your Shopify store's admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store. And from here, you can navigate to everything you need, including managing app subscriptions. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and find the button that says Apps. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all your installed apps are listed. Now, take a moment to scroll through your apps and locate the one for which you want to cancel the subscription. Once you've found the app in question, click on it. This will typically bring you to the app's detailed settings or overview page, depending on how the app is structured. Next, keep an eye out for an option that says something like Manage Subscription, Billing, or Subscription Settings. Different apps might have slightly different wording, so be flexible and open to variations in the phrasing. Click on this option, as it will take you to the part of the app's settings dedicated to your subscription details. At this point, you should be looking for the button that allows you to either cancel the subscription or uninstall the app. Again, the exact wording might vary, but it should be self-explanatory. Click this button to initiate the cancellation process. Upon clicking to cancel, you may encounter a few additional prompts asking you to confirm your decision. This is quite standard as it helps prevent accidental cancellations. Carefully follow these prompts and confirm your cancellation to ensure that the process is finalized. An important note to keep in mind is that if your app is billed through Shopify directly, uninstalling the app from the Apps page will automatically cancel the subscription as well. However, if the app operates through a third-party billing system, you will likely need to cancel the subscription directly through the app's platform. If you find yourself having difficulty locating the cancellation option, here are a couple of additional tips. First, check the app's documentation or help resources. They often provide specific instructions tailored to that app. And if that doesn't help, don't hesitate to contact the app developer directly for assistance. They can provide guidance and help navigate any complex cancellation processes. By following these steps, you will successfully cancel an app subscription on Shopify with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.